this Thursday, May 15th, 2025. We're taking a look here, mile marker 47.8. We're on the Port Jefferson branch of the Long Island Railroad, just east of Smithtown. We're at the River Road crossing, which is the second crossing east of Smithtown. First crossing is Landing Avenue, just east of the station. As this is single track territory, Rule 261. It's the Port Jefferson branch as such, east of Huntington. Very wooded area over here between Smithtown and St. James. We're going to be seeing train 660 tonight, running between Penn Station and Port Jefferson with DM30AC 519 leading 518 on the rear with HC3s. We're a little over a week away from Memorial Day, as the extra trains will be running on the Montauk branch, meaning trains will run to Port Jefferson, but then we'll deadhead back for the weekend crowds. And on the new schedule, starting Monday, May 19th, train 42 to Speonk will be replaced by train 20. Train 20 will be running all the way to Montauk, and this will be an everyday occurrence from now on throughout the summer. And we're taking a quick look to the east over here, looking towards St. James and such. Just noticing the original mile marker post 48 just to the east of here. Port Jefferson branch has been 261 territory since 1992. East of Smithtown, it was 251 territory prior to that. Port Jefferson branch was basically 251 territory up to about 1980, when it became 261 territory to Smithtown. And there were numerous automatic signals east of Smithtown at that point. All right, looking to the west once again. 660 running about 3 to 4 minutes late. Prior out of Huntington before. Arrival time at Smithtown is about 6:17, which currently it is 6:17 now, and he should be here at any moment at this point. He's just about to arrive Smithtown right now, so he's running about 2 to 3 minutes late at this point. All right, time now is 6:19, 660 should be departing Smithtown right now. And we'll be going through Landing Avenue and then here at River Road. And the gates are now coming down for 660.
at 518 on the rear for train 660, Penn Station to Port Jefferson.